Caution, please make sure that before going to work on the airbags, you all remove with the battery negative terminals for the safety purposes.
Guys, today I'm gonna show how to remove the airbag of Toyota vehicles. Okay, by the way, this is the airbag here in the steering wheel. It is located, and let me show how to remove these airbags. You have a open area here. By the way, I'm using this screwdriver to remove this. Okay, just a single tap, it will be get removed. Using this screwdriver, I'm gonna unpin the pin of airbag. This is the first surface where can we insert this screwdriver, and one more is in that side. I'll show. You can see here this hole, this area. Okay. There are two clips inside upwards, and I have already removed that, and one more clip is here at the bottom side. So I'll remove the bottom side and I'll show that for you. Tilt the steering to left. Okay, through this hole. Hope you can see. Through this hole, just yeah. Our airbag got opened. It will be pop out by single tap only. Okay. I'll show the process how it get opens. The bottom hole is here. Okay. We are going to insert a screwdriver like this. See here. Hereby we can see that these are three clips which is plugging the airbag inside, and I have first unclipped those two clips which is at top, and later which is a single clip at bottom. Okay, you can see here this is the bottom clip, and these two are at top. Okay, and this is the airbag unit. This is airbag wirings which I have plugged over here. It is a plug and play, and even this is a horn plug. Be careful while removing the airbags, because it's dangerous and it's harmful too. Before inserting airbags, just check every clips are clearly placed over in the exact slot, and now I'm gonna pop back the airbags. Yeah, it's exactly placed.